Hello everyone, my name is Li Mingjie. Today I will talk about my project, a smart product recommendation system that learns from user behavior. The goal is simple: help platforms show users what they might want before they search for it. This system looks at user habits and past purchases, gives suggestions based on likelihood, and shows everything in an HTML report. It also adds coupons based on what the user likes. It can be used in online shopping, media, ads, and more. We use a mix of models like random forest, logistic, regression, and KNN. We have finished three main parts. The first part is we clicked and prepared the data so it can be used by the model. The second part is we need trained a machine learning model that combines several methods to make better predictions. And the final part is we made the system created an HTML report for each user with top choices, chains, and customer discounts. So why do we want to upgrade the system? I think there are four reasons. First, user actions are more complex now. We need to look at full behavior patterns, not just the last thing they bought. Second, the system can work in more areas like travel, learning, healthy, and video services. Third, people want to understand how AI works. I think it's not just get results without explanation. Finally, we must follow privacy laws like GDPR so users can see how their data is used and choose to stop if they want. And how do we do this? I think here there are two key parts. The first part is its behavior sequences like the time and order of clicks and purchases. Add info like diverse type, phone or October, location and time. Mix this with location data to make predictions more accurate. I think this helps the model better understand how users really behave. And the next, for the model part, we will improve it by the first is using LSTM with attention to better handle user behavior over time. And the second is fixing the cold start problem by using general user info when data is missing. The final part is making the HTML report into a live dashboard so user can interact and change their setting anytime. And about the project cost, I think we will spend about £9,350 to finish this upgrade. That includes £2,000 to collect better data and £3,500 to improve the model and fix cold start issues, and £1,800 to build a better interface, and $1,200 for legal help, and a smart extra for any threat costs. And about the project timeline, I think this project will have 5 steps. In June and July, we will collect more user behavior data. From July to August, we will improve the model and run A or B tests. In August and September, we will work on a better UI. In September, we will build tools for users to control their data and agree to terms. By October, we hope to launch a beta version and show it to investors. That's my project. And the final, I want everybody can concern a ethic problem. I think we must follow GDPR by letting users choose to join or leave, see how their data is used, and delete it anytime. And I promise I will also avoid bias by checking for fairness. Explains how decisions are made, and don't mix training data with ads. now it's finished. Thank you for listening.